Hey, hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to multiply fractions, and this is the part 11 of the fraction series. In the last few classes you have seen how to add and how to subtract fractions. Now today we'll see how to multiply fractions. Now I'll show you some tips and tricks and easy way to multiply fractions as we go on. Okay, let's take few examples and let's see what you need to do when you are multiplying fractions. So this is example 1. So this is 3 by 4 multiply by 2 by 7. So whenever you get a multiplication of two fractions, what do you need to do? You need to first multiply the numerators divided by multiply the denominators. Got it? So what you will be doing? You will be multiplying the numerators divided by multiply the, so here I'll show you multiply, and here this one you will multiply. So 4 by 7. So this one will be 3 to 6. So 4 7s are 28. Now if there is a scope of simplifying, so you simplify. So this 6 and 28 both are divisible by 2. So go ahead and simplify it. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 14s are 28. So it becomes, after simplification, 3 by 14. So it's very simple and easy. Let's take few more examples. So this is example 2. See, we have taken, let's say, 3 by 7 multiplied by 2 by 5. Okay, so let's do it. Tell me, student, what to do. Try it. See, mark the numerators, multiply them, divided by, mark the denominators, multiply them. So 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 5, that is 6 by 35. Got it? Very simple. Now there is no scope of simplification, so keep it as it is. Now let's move to example 3. Got it? So we'll take little more bigger number, 2-digit numbers like 14, 19 multiplied by 2 by 7. See, now we'll learn if there is a scope of simplification in the fraction, or maybe cross cancellation. So you do cross cancellation before you multiply. So when the number becomes bigger, it is difficult to multiply. So before multiplication, do a cross cancellation and simplify it. Let's see what cross cancellation means. Now see, in the numerator you have 14 and 2, right? In the denominator you have 19 and 7. Now try to find out if there are certain common factors between the numerators, any number in the numerators and any number in the denominators. So see, here and here you have 7 as the common factors. So go ahead and cancel it, like cross cancellation. So 7 1s are 7, simplify it, and 7 2s are 14. Got it? Now you can, is there any other scope of cross cancellation between the numerators and the denominators? No. So now you can multiply. So multiply 2 and 2, and here 19 and 1. So 2 multiplied by 2 and 19 multiplied by 1, that is 4 by 19. Got it? Or you could have done what? 14 multiplied by 28 and 19 into 7. So that could have given you what? 28 divided by 133. So if you simplify that, it becomes 4 by 19. So it's always good and easy in a faster way if you cross cancel before you multiply, like this. Got it? Okay, let's take another example. Let's take another example. Okay, example 4. Now if you have a bigger number, let's say 54 and 25, right? So let's do another example where cross cancellation is required. So see, if I multiply, so it would have been 54 multiplied by 15 divided by 25 multiplied by 63. Now it is always better and efficient way to do this multiplication of two fractions if you cross cancel before it. So try to find out the common factors between the numerators and the denominators. See, if you closely look at this, see in the 54 and 63, right, numerators and denominators, you have a common factors. What is that? You have a common factors like maybe 9, right? 9 sevens are 63 and 9 6 are 54. See, it's always easy to reduce before multiplying. Now is there any other way? Yes. See, 15 and 25 in the numerator and the denominators, you have 5 as the common factor. So go ahead and cancel it. See, 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Now is there any other way to reduce it before the multiplication? No. So now you can straight away go ahead and multiply 6 and 3 in the numerator and 5 and the 7 in the denominator. So it becomes 6 into 3 divided by 5 into 7. So this is 18 by 35. Got it? Easy? Okay. So these are the few examples and the scenarios that you can face while multiplying fractions. Now let's come to the second one. Second issue. What is that? If you multiply fractions, multiply fraction with a whole number, Now how to deal with that? So whole number, right? So you are multiplying fractions with a whole number. Let's take an example and let's take a closer look at it. So let's take an example. So 5 is a whole number divided by multiplied by 7 by 9. So it's a fraction. So how, in order to proceed, how would you deal with a whole number? See, whole number can be expressed as a fraction, right? How? See, 5 by 1. So 5 by 1 is 5. So you can always represent a whole number by this way. So if you would have, instead of 5, if there was 7, so 7 by 1, 8, 8 by 1. So in any ways, if you have a whole number, represent the whole number in this way as a fraction. So multiply by 7 by 9. Now it becomes easy. Multiply the numerator 5 by 7. Multiply by denominator. So 35 by 9. See, so multiplying fraction with a whole number becomes easy. Got it? See, if a result, see, so you've understood this. So if your result is improper, always convert into mixed fraction, right? So what is the tip? So when the result is improper, convert it into mixed fraction. So I have shown you few tips. So one tip is cross cancellation before multiplication of two fractions. Second is how to deal with this whole number. Then the third trick is if the result is a improper one. So let's take another example. So 5 by 6 multiplied by 9 by 4, right? So is there any chance of scope of cross cancellation? Yes. See, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 3 into 5 is 15, 4 into 2 is 6. So it's an improper fraction. So straight away go ahead and convert this into mixed fraction, right? Sorry, this one will be 8. 4 2s are 8. So 8 1s are 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 by 8. Got it? So convert into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction if the result is an improper fraction, right? This is an improper fraction. So if you get an improper fraction, convert this into mixed fraction. Got it? So let's take another example. If you have, let's say, 3 fractions, So how to deal with that? Very easy. See, 28 by 35, 45 by 63 multiplied by 66 by 72. Okay, so go ahead and reduce and simplify and cross cancel wherever you find certain common factors. See, here we have a common factors, so you can have a common factors between here and here also, so that is not an issue. So straight away means find out the common factors between any numbers in the numerators and between any numbers in the denominators and reduce it. So here I can reduce it by 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. Here I can reduce it, right? So this is 5, this is 7. How? 9 5s are 45, 9 7s are 63. I can reduce this also. 6 11s are 66 and 6 12s are 72. Now is there any chance, any ways that we can reduce it more? Yes, see, here is 5 and here is 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Cancelled. Is there any chance? See, 4 here in the numerator and 12 in the denominator. So there is a chance. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. See, I have reduced it. Now the multiplication becomes easy. In the numerator, what is left? 1, 1 and 11. In the denominators, what is left? 1 into 7 into 3. That becomes 11 by 21. Got it? So this is how you deal with multiplication of fractions, right? In the next class, what we'll learn? We'll learn how to multiply a fraction with mixed numbers, right? Fraction with mixed numbers. If you have a fraction and you are multiplying it with mixed numbers, how to deal with that? Okay, students, so I guess you have followed today's lecture. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment box. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.